Have you noticed that your legs are no longer as flexible as they used to be, even though you still exercise regularly and maintain a healthy diet? After the age of 40, many people begin to clearly feel the weakening of their legs, feeling tired when climbing stairs, needing to rest after just a short walk, or even experiencing nighttime cramps more frequently. This not only affects daily activities, but also silently signals a decline in overall health. David, a 52-year-old engineer living in Texas, used to be a sports enthusiast who never missed his morning runs for 10 years straight. But within just the past year, he started to feel heaviness and soreness in his legs after standing for long periods. Despite trying new shoes and practicing yoga, his condition didn't improve. It wasn't until he consulted a nutritionist and adjusted his diet, especially by adding 3 key types of food, that his leg health began to recover. The danger is that many people often blame it on normal aging and overlook the warning signs their body is giving them. But the truth is, without proper care, leg weakness can lead to imbalance, falls, and a serious decline in quality of life later on. The good news is that you can take action today to slow down this process and even improve flexibility and muscle strength, simply by making a few changes to your daily diet. In this video, you'll discover 3 types of foods that help nourish strong muscles and bones in your legs, including leafy greens, rich in vitamin K, protein-rich foods, and seeds packed with magnesium. If you're looking for simple, practical, and age-appropriate solutions for middle-aged adults, stay with me until the end of this video. And if you find this topic useful, don't hesitate to hit like, share it with your peers, or leave a comment about your own experience below. I would truly love to hear your thoughts, because every single share helps our community grow stronger and healthier together. Now let's explore these 3 powerful foods and how they can transform your legs and your life. If your legs often feel tired, heavy, or take a long time to recover after physical activity, the problem may not be your workout, but rather what you eat every day. Have you ever wondered why some people still maintain strong legs even though they don't exercise that much? Their secret might not be found in the gym, but on the plate. After the age of 40, our bodies begin to lose muscle mass and joint strength. This is a natural biological process called sarcopenia, but the speed and extent of the decline largely depend on how we care for ourselves. One of the key factors is nutrition quality, especially your intake of protein and healthy fats. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are among the most valuable foods for aging legs. First of all, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation in muscles and joints is one of the main reasons why many people feel fatigue or soreness even after light activity. Moreover, omega-3s help support muscle recovery after exercise and reduce soreness after long walks or prolonged standing, an issue common among middle-aged and older adults, especially those who spend long hours on their feet or live in cold climates. Besides omega-3s, fatty fish also provide high-quality protein, an essential component for building and maintaining muscle mass. Unlike carbs or fats, the body does not store protein. This means that if you don't consume enough protein daily, your body will start eating away at your own muscles, especially the muscles in your legs, which are the most vulnerable as we age. The good news is that you can absolutely rebuild leg strength by including fatty fish in your diet 2 to 3 times a week. Whether you live in the city or the countryside, it's easier than ever to buy salmon or mackerel in the US from supermarket chains like Costco, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, or even Walmart. With such convenience, you can enjoy delicious meals while protecting your legs in a smart way. You can start with simple dishes. Roast salmon with sea salt and lemon, served with greens for dinner. Mix canned mackerel into a salad, add a bit of olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Or make a grilled salmon sandwich, a quick, tasty lunch option for the office. Note: prioritize fresh or high-quality frozen fish. Avoid pre-fried varieties, as they often contain trans fats that are harmful to the heart and muscles. Whether you're over 40 or 60, adding fatty fish to your meals can make a noticeable difference for your legs. Within a few weeks, you may feel lighter on your feet, experience less soreness after movement, and enjoy improved endurance. This is a natural gift you can give your body, simply by changing what you put on your plate. Once you've taken care of your muscles, it's time to move on to another critical foundation: your bones. The next food we'll cover will help strengthen the skeletal frame of your legs so that every step you take is not just strong, but also steadier each day. When it comes to leg strength, people often think only of muscles, forgetting that the skeletal frame is the true foundation that keeps every step stable. After the age of 40, our bones begin to withdraw capital silently. Bone density decreases, and the structure becomes more brittle and prone to fractures if not properly nourished. Have you ever felt a slight pain in your heel when stepping out of bed in the morning? Or noticed weakness in your legs after standing for a long time, even though your muscles seem fine? These could be signs that your leg bones are in need of reinforcement, especially with calcium and protein. Dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, are among the most effective allies in keeping your bones strong and muscles firm. First, there's calcium, the mineral that makes up over 99% of our bones and teeth. If your body doesn't receive enough calcium from your diet, it will draw calcium from your bones to maintain other vital functions, gradually weakening the bones without you realizing it. Accessing dairy products is easier than ever, from organic milk at Whole Foods to low-sugar Greek yogurt at Trader Joe's or low-fat cheese from local supermarket brands. What matters most is choosing the type that suits your current health needs, prioritizing options that are low in sugar and fat and high in protein. In addition to calcium, dairy products contain essential protein for building and maintaining muscle mass. This protein helps repair damaged muscle tissues after physical activity, keeping your legs strong and flexible. Moreover, the protein found in dairy, particularly whey and casein, is highly absorbable, making it ideal for middle-aged adults who want to maintain physical strength without relying on expensive supplements. You don't need to drink a liter of milk every day to reap the benefits. Just one glass of unsweetened milk after breakfast, a serving of Greek yogurt in the afternoon, or a few slices of cheese with whole grain bread can make a meaningful difference. For those who are lactose intolerant, there are now many alternatives available, such as lactose-free milk, calcium-fortified plant-based yogurts, or nut-based cheeses. The wonderful thing about dairy is that it doesn't just benefit your legs, it also supports your nervous system, cardiovascular health, and dental health, all of which impact your quality of life as you enter middle age. Incorporating milk, yogurt, or cheese into your meals doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. You could blend a banana yogurt smoothie in the morning, add some cheese to your lunch salad, or combine Greek yogurt with berries for a healthy dessert. After just a few weeks, you may notice improvements, less fatigue from standing, more stable steps, and if you're exercising, you'll feel your legs recovering more quickly. Dairy isn't just food, it's a simple yet powerful tool to combat the silent decline of bones and leg muscles. Once you've taken care of both muscle and bone, don't forget the third element that keeps your legs agile: muscle function and neural signaling. And that's where leafy greens come in. The final key to ensuring your legs are not only strong, but also flexible and responsive. After strengthening your leg muscles and bones, there's one more factor you shouldn't overlook: motor function and neuromuscular signaling. Because having muscles doesn't always mean you can move smoothly. If your nervous system transmits signals too slowly, or if your muscles lack essential nutrients, your legs may still feel heavy, cramp easily, or lose balance unexpectedly. Have you ever experienced nighttime leg cramps, even on days when you weren't physically active? Or missed a step on the stairs simply because your legs reacted a beat too late? That's your body's way of signaling a deficiency in essential minerals, particularly magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K, nutrients found abundantly in dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Leafy greens aren't just a symbol of healthy eating. They're truly a natural laboratory packed with compounds that support coordinated function between muscles, bones, and nerves. First, there's vitamin K, a nutrient that's rarely talked about but plays a critical role in bone structure formation and calcium regulation in the blood. Those who lack vitamin K are more prone to osteoporosis, slow wound healing, and easy bruising. Then comes magnesium and potassium, two minerals that regulate muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and prevent cramps, a common discomfort for many middle-aged adults, especially at night or during weather changes. Beyond that, leafy greens also contain high levels of antioxidants and fiber, which help reduce low-grade inflammation throughout the body, support digestion, and maintain a feeling of lightness and clarity. For those trying to manage weight, which directly impacts leg strength, greens are an indispensable ally. You don't have to become a vegetarian to reap the benefits of leafy greens. Just 1 to 2 servings a day, about a handful of spinach in your morning smoothie, a kale salad for lunch, or stir-fried greens with garlic at dinner are enough to make a difference. You can easily find fresh greens at any supermarket, from local farmers markets to Whole Foods, or opt for organic frozen varieties from Trader Joe's for longer storage. If you're short on time, try bottled smoothies with a spinach or kale base. Just make sure they're not loaded with added sugar. Eating greens daily doesn't just soothe your digestive system, it also makes you feel lighter, both physically and mentally. And it shows most clearly in your legs: fewer cramps, smoother movement, and quicker reactions when balance is needed. Muscles, bones, and nerves, the 3 core systems of your legs, all need proper care, and leafy greens are the final key to completing that picture. There's no magical overnight fix, but with just a handful of greens each day, you're building a solid foundation for strong, healthy steps in the years to come. Thank you for taking the time to join me on this journey of caring for your legs, something that may seem small, yet profoundly impacts your daily quality of life. We've explored 3 seemingly familiar food groups: fatty fish, dairy products, and leafy greens that hold remarkable power in nourishing muscles, strengthening bones, and improving mobility. Small adjustments in your daily meals can make a big difference in how strong your legs feel each morning or how steady your steps are as you move through life. What did you take away from today's content? Which part resonated with you the most, or made you want to try something new at your very next meal? Leave a comment and share your thoughts, because your experience might just inspire someone else who's also struggling with silent aches and fatigue. This isn't a race, it's a journey a journey where every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to a stronger, healthier version of yourself. I hope you'll continue walking this path with me, not just today, but in future videos where we learn together, practice together, and grow together. And always remember, it's never too late to start caring for your body, especially your legs, those quiet companions that have carried you through so many seasons of life. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit like and share it with your loved ones, especially those over 40 who want to live healthier, more proactive lives. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss future tips on health, nutrition, and balanced living. Thank you.